What's up, online shoppers? One of the coolest things that happens when you're an Amazon influencer is people send you stuff to try. I got this little box in the mail today with the Keranique Lash Serum. And so from what I've read on the product, it's going to take about 4 weeks to finally show what happens. Here is Keranique. It ships in a really nice little tube. This is Keranique's Lash Enhancing Serum. So this is what it is supposed to do right here. And I'm going to give it a 4-week trial to see if it actually does that. It is cruelty-free. It has no harmful chemicals in it. It is clean beauty, and it has been tested for sensitivities. This has actually been clinically tested. So it's not just somebody making up a story. So you get this tiny little tube right here. So this is for helping you grow your lashes. Now, when lashes get dry, they get brittle and they break, and then all of a sudden there's no eyelashes. So the purpose of this product is to help with dry, brittle, and aging eyelashes, making your lashes feel thicker, fuller, and with all of that added moisturizing, make them more resistant to the wear and tear when we're taking makeup off. And honestly, who wants to spend time getting lash extensions or trying to put on those magnetic lashes? If you wake up and what you have on your eyes is just beautiful lashes, I love that. Now it's tiny, but mighty. So there is the applicator brush. And I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand so that you can see what it looks like. It's clear and it's liquidy. It's not like a sticky gel. It goes on pretty easy. And as far as how you use this, you're supposed to use this before you go to bed. Just put a thin layer on your eyelashes before you go to bed. And they say you can also do the top and the bottom. Now this is a volumizing and nourishing formula. It is designed to help your eyelashes appear to be more thick. It has all kinds of boosting nutrients in it, like peptides and hyaluronic acid, as well as some vitamin B. This is cruelty-free, and it is designed without anything that is going to irritate your skin. There are no prostaglandins, formaldehyde, alcohol, which is super drying and makes our eyes itchy. I just have to put it on before I go to bed. There are no complicated steps. All I have to do is just apply a thin layer like I showed you on my hand. You can see it's almost dried, hardly even any proof of it there. And wake up in the morning, just have to wash it off before I put my makeup on. Now, Keranique has been around for a long time, and they have been specialists in women's hair care. So I think that this is definitely going to be something I'm enjoying trying for the next 4 weeks. I'm going to take some pictures and document my eyelash growth journey so that I can show you. But I'm super excited to give this a try, and I'm sure hoping that this is going to become a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.